Sometimes I need them coming out. I say, Supreme, I'm here, Ray. You go on good. Just don't jump off a way you do right now. Stay right there, so.
Am I game leader, man?
Yeah, man, you have it, man. You see me? But like you never know me, I'm glad you know me now. Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by. Big up for yourself. You know, see a super never do. I'm out of here. Real.
So you know the work? Oh, you know the work? Lexi! Jesus!
I'll be fresh up.
What on there now, man?
First stop.
Yo, me I beg you, I beg up my wife. Because honestly, my wife make me know about you.
Yeah.
You understand? So when you done beard.
The time we start to dress some alcoholics beers. Ready to talk in the party and you hear me face. When you're in the party, it's like Jada retarded. I find you acting too social. So when you put on your cup, then you start put on your backpack like them.
It's a universe. Blessings and respect. Jamaica walk by. Respect. That's the time, man. Everything all right, my brother. Art I love every time. Great. Tanto blocks. Massive, you know what I mean? Walk on. They need to stop mix up Jamaica walk by with walk and talk. See walk and talk there. I don't know if I'm ready. Sweet deal. Sweet blouse and skirt deal. What JK Arthur? Boop. Big up stage. Big up myself.
We come all the way from the UK.
Man. Something man outside.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Said love and respect, you don't know. Big up to everybody who are jump on that video. It's all about Carnival Massive, you know what I mean? It's all about Exodus Carnival 2026, you know what I mean? Big up to all the sponsors, big up to all of the people that will make this possible for 2026. Jamaica walk by outside. Massive, we actually was trying to do a live stream and thing, but you don't know that didn't work out. So now we have to go do the street march when it comes on to the walking. So we are right behind the excitement, you see me? So we're up on the outskirt and we are going right in at the crowd. Massive, when me tell us, say, the crowd is massive. It is big, extremely big. Thousands of people out today. You understand? So we're going to capture the vibe, the energy, march with the people, make them dance, video anything. So big up to all of my supporters. You know we have video this in a 4K, so you can bank up the quality on your phone or turn up the quality on your TV and have a nice blast. Jamaica Carnival 2026. I don't know, so I'm outside with Brands Done Fashion. You can also check him out on Instagram. You know what I mean? At Brands Done Fashion for the maddest beats them in Jamaica. Trendy fashion. A mad thing.
For the whole of May, we go right back to summer, you know, say yo, the stock I go crazy, whole heap of thing, latest thing, maddest t-shirt, maddest jeans shorts, everything. It just link up.
That is it. So it's Brands Done Fashion on Instagram. A mad thing. Is it? Oh, you have some beautiful queen behind me too. Whoa, hey, me I tell you, say you come right out. Everything you take out of your house, out of your world. Go through. Whoa, yo, you might give you a shout out on Instagram. What's your Instagram? You don't do Instagram? Ah, man, blessings and respect. Woo! Yeah, so massive. Ready. Let's go. Carnival 2026. Martin, Kingston. Let's do this. Girl, come on. Let me tell you. Let's do this. So we're up on the outskirt and we are going right in at the meat of the matter. Remember me tell you. Let's do this. Massive, you ready? Let's go. Brands done. We're there, so Massive, as you can see, we're up on the outskirt, and we are going right in and meet at the thousands of people. So are you ready? Let's do this. Big up to all of my members them too, who support Jamaica Walk by right through. You see me, you can sign up for membership if you rate the vibe, the energy, and how me do my thing. Please, me I beg you now. Deal with it, deal with it. It's only $1 or $2 every month. So please, me I beg you, subscribe for membership right now. If you're not yet subscribed, please, me I beg you, subscribe to Jamaica Walk by my thing. So me I yep up the step to going at the crowd. So you know the vibe, you know the vibe. Big up every time, you know, dog. Mad. That is it, me teacher. Outside me there, is it? Every time, bro, G, man. Respect. All I can hear that massive, all of my subscribers, them. Let's do this. Let's go. Hey. Are you ready? Let's do this. Let's make it.
Let me see the ring finger, ladies. You to bed. Show me your finger. Here we go again. Look, shout out to anybody who experience a horn once in their life right now. What you say? I love the fact that I don't want no horn. The dance section, I don't want no horn. Here we go. Got caliber when you don't get horn. Push it back when you don't get horn. Put it back when you don't get horn. Like the best on the scope. Push it back when you don't get horn. You love the guys when you don't get horn. Peace of mind when you don't get horn. Like the best on the scope. What you want to do? I beat it. Watch now, that is sweetest part of the beat right here. Trust me on this one. Oh, bro. You know Prince one time. I know how to make the girls and them wine. Activate the waist and the spine. As you say, one that's a one line. You don't want the vibes at the flow. You don't want that to bend down low. I beat it song and well, but I know. But I want it, they have to go. Come careless wine when they don't get home. Push it back when they don't get home. Fuck it up when they don't get home. Like the best in the sport. Slip and slide when they don't get home. You lucky right when they don't get home. Right, I want to take you about the next show on the road up. You're looking good by your tuba. Tell me who I need a side. Tell me why not can you tuba? Tell me take your time. Ladies, sing it for me right now. The tuba, the like that, the tuba, not like that, the tuba, the on top, the tuba, sit up and jump, the tuba, she make her right, the tuba, you are right, the tuba, the leg up, the tuba, bring it by the tuba. I want to wind up you and your shit, you want the wine. You tell me you want to see, don't want to find it, never take it high. Can't just get some of the stuff in me. You don't know how I look at me. You're not like a couple of things. You want to make you my property. You're looking good by your tuba. Just I got the same tuba. Just switch me, catch it, ride it good. Ladies, get up right now. What you say?
Watch out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Shots I need us to tick, 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 tick. Yeah.
Everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump up now. Start a wave, start a wave, start a wave up now. Start a wine, start a wine, start a wine.
Where my rum strike crew?
It's Carnival.
Everybody take a jump. Oh, jeez. If you love soca music, if you love soca music, we like to hear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, then swing that engine, swing it. Swing that engine. Swing it. Think of the top and swing it, yeah.
Champagne,
6:30 like a clown. Hey, girl. Question for you, I want a question for you. Question for you. I want you to touch your toe, grab your ankle. Put your hand on the knee. Question for you. What can you make? Can you make my girl? Can you make? Can you make? Can you make my girl? What can you make? Can you make? Make my girl? Can you make?
Well, look at you. You need to teach people.
Can you pick up the football speaker? Make the wine and speaker. Your phone and take a picture. Make the wine and speaker. That's a side man, you's a cheater. Make the wine and speaker. Baby, why don't give up? Make the wine and speaker. For them out there, them things. How we looking? For the other side of them.
Anybody ever been to the 246? Where my beers in Jamaica?
If you know that you got a rubber beer, I'd like to walk up somebody to show by your fear.
Yeah. You ever been crop over
I'd
pinky?
like to walk up somebody
Misbehave and get over the belt baseline. From the time I start to drink some alcohol, it's baseline. Make the beat drop, make the party and you hear the baseline. Don't even baseline, blood, just start to belt baseline. Misbehave and get over the belt baseline. From the time I start to drink some alcohol, it's baseline. Make the beat drop, make the party and you hear the baseline. Don't even baseline, blood, just start to belt baseline. I can walk up slow, I can walk up fast, and if you feel you got a lot, reverse it, let me and you bang back crash. This baseline come in different strokes and fully active for
Jada.
the way you get on, you can tell for sure.
Oh, you know,
And when you in the party,
it's like Jada.
retarded.
I find you acting too social.
Cause I like to get
I want you to put on your cup, then you start put on your backpack. Like down to the ground, I want you to party on the road.
Just walking up there, now you put down the leaf, but you
I want you to get back. I want you to push back. Push back. I want to test out the engineer baseline.
engage it.
I want to test out the engineer baseline.
Yeah, Jones. And I'm going to Jones.
Sometimes I got to slow it down. So you know what you're working on. Sexy wine and lady, cause I'm this time it is your time, baby. Let's focus on this wine, baby. This fest will be one of a kind, so prepare your mind. Get ready for the timing. You want more time of your life. This feels like paradise. The way you look on your line, and the vibes stay on the time, so just relax.
Get out of time, nothing now.
Yeah, I'm addicted to bad girls. Girls full of badness. Yeah, I'm addicted to bad girls.
No blood clot.
Yeah, I'm addicted to bad girls. Alright, get ready then. Big up the Kingston.
Yeah, but more pass now.
We're gonna turn this mass inside here crazy. Crazy. Somebody say, in the vibe. Hold on, wait till we there. Everybody stay right there. Everybody just stay right there. Oh, they got me. Jump on. Go on. DJ man, run the show. Hold on. Play the song, man. Everybody hold on. Wait. Feel like me like Jamaica. All the soca lovers. So if you like me, and if you never help me, then I'll kill you. And if you say me rascal, it's your puppy now. Here's the one. Get up. Eye for eye. Tooth for tooth. All up in your front. 9 months, don't you really got a nigga? Yeah. Oh, give me this.
Alright, massive, so we are right at the front here now. Front. Oh my word, that was hard. Very hard to get through. That did hard to go through. Now we reach the front. Bombard! Claude himself!
Everything good?
Live, hey, you see if Uno can't do it, I'm willing to try. If I have one time. Just promote the thing now, man, you know, tell them on channel.
Follow me at Claude, what is my YouTube, you see me try anything, everything.
Anything, the last video I see him become a garbage collector for what, one day? No, I can't pass the $20, you know, easy. I want to find $1 million, $20 and then see when we have about $20 million that.
You see me?
Yeah, so Claude Wilkes.
Yeah man, so follow me on YouTube, last video I do as I hear Jamaica walk by, say, become a garbage collector for your day just to spread awareness and think to the thing, you see me? And also walk from Kingston to Ochi, so check out the thing and support.
Man, that is it, my bro. Yeah. Yo, know when I who that? One Claude in the house. A mad thing. Well, I who that on the car top now. That is it. Whoa. Boop, boop. Well, we have a piece of job. Everything Irie, very good. A part of life. And that's all I can say, a life. I swear, life. Life is beautiful. Yes, man, I'm telling you. Yeah, massive. So this is what the front of the venue look like. We all out here find money. How this Metro? Everything Irie?
Everything
Irie. Alright, so see there, we actually reach half a tree square.
Are you having a good time on the road right now? Somebody make some noise! Are you partying with your best friend in the world? Put your best friend hand up in the sky right now. We are back on the road with Gen X.
That is it, my bro. Big up, enough.
In Jamaica. My name is Aaron Findel, and I am here with the most versatile DJ in the world. Let me take them back on the road just like this one. Oh yeah, let me see your hands down. Going on the road. Hey, put your hands on the road. Hands on the road. What is what's on the road now? Oh girl, let me see your hands down. Going on the road. She put your hands on the road. Hands on the road. Tell the girl let go. Push the road. On the wall and push the road now. Push the road. We just wanna I just wanna explore. Everywhere we go, left, kill on the right. When I walk up, yeah. When I walk up, yeah. Kill on the left, kill on the right. When I walk up, slide on the right side. What's coming up from here? Still on the right side. This is a woman like a connect. When the big city. Let's go. I need the masqueraders on the right side of the truck, please. Right hand side. We're making a right turn, I mean on the right side. Right, let me go. Somebody say.
What a vibe! 100. That is it, my teacher. Oh, you look. You look good. You look good. That is it, man.
Yes, I found a place where soca there is sounding power. You could feel that the time in the house and shine out someone. You will feel it anywhere you look, and it read like a storybook. I come from it. With big flag going overhead like canopy. Rocket is not pocket with our investment as I wanna be. Nice clips and tight pants, I never really read melodies. I come from Brussels, they follow from customs and from power meals. Plus I fit for your fertilizers, infecting them had a power pill. Everybody wonders and is energy on the mission, no still. If it's me, I don't leave me with power on a hair, right? When you ever
Yo, man, tell us that. Vibes.
No bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, as soon as they clear off, we are going to start back. Okay. No pressure. We have 5,000 people waiting for you to come off the truck. Please. No pressure at all.
As far as I'm concerned, you know she's right. Man, never come. Guys, you don't need to be on top of the truck. Let the ladies stay on top. We cannot play the music until more people come off the top. We cannot play songs like this. We cannot do that until everybody comes off the truck. 20 more people. We only counted 5, eh? All the guys get off the truck.
Just a few more.
Come on.
We thank you so much for coming on.
Come on.
Ryan, watch this. Big up everybody who paid the money to play mass on the road in Jamaica and enjoy yourself with your real team. Big up the single ladies that leave that stupid man in 2025 and you're enjoying yourself on the road this year.
Alright, how are we looking? 10? So we need 15 more?
Nice.
15 more?
Man, as I respect everything good. That is it, hear that?
11.
Outside. Man.
Yeah, boy.
Road manager, let me get a check on the truck, please.
It's very easy to get them off the truck. It's very easy to get them off the truck. Now, rude boy, if you're not one of them people there, come off the truck right now. Come off of the truck. You're holding up people's money, you're holding up the performance. Everybody want to boom boom, come off of the truck.
Ah. Yeah, but why every man them pay them money?
Ladies, if your PH ain't off, get off the truck. Off the truck. I know you want to feel important and special, but you gotta get off the truck.
Don't move, just keep it there.
Hello, big man.
Big up and respect every time. Right, deal with Chief first then, before. I don't want you to beat up both of us.
You know who that is?
I don't want her to beat up both of us. So make sure when you finish, you tell her I can't take it.
Special surprise coming up for y'all. We got the goddess, the king of Soca coming up next. Alright, that's 18, that's 19, that's 20.
Alright. That is it, my brother. Hold on, let me put on F1.
This is your next.
Manners and respect, we outside, we gotta do it.
Thank you for the good work.
That is it, man. I gotta see yourself, you know, because I know the camera always a roll. Shy boy from England. You can tell, man. That is it. It's so forward. I hope that we can link good up when I'm up there. I don't know which I'm there, they can reach me and show me the whole thing.
Because I'm subscribed to you anyway, so you know what I mean?
You have to see what I want. I love my brother. Yeah, I enjoy the vibes. Vibes is right, man.
Working right.
Every time. Yeah, man.
It looks like we're ready.
Sorry, yeah.
Crazy deal. Here we go.
That is it. Listen, man, as I respect you know, every time, bro. That video. That work, me working on your great chap going up. Girl, them always say, me nah video you them. I be a woman, me a video. Yo, there's some crib to walk right now. That is it. Man. Big up my bro. Yeah, but does that work?
I can't walk, man.
Yeah, does that work?
You got the stuff, man. You got the stuff.
No, you have to do that again. Do that again. Do that again. Big up myself.
We got all the way from the UK.
Man, something man outside.
Yeah.
Big up. Ready. Boy, may I tell you, the energy and the vibes are normal, I swear. But, I swear the pass still. But they stop at NCB Bank and you pass. Oh, you stop there, sir? Make it again. Jeez, and me last it. Me not get it. You get some picture with her? Yeah. Good. Eva. So the right at the front again. Oh my word. Nice energy, nice vibe. Who you want big up?
One Supreme.
One Supreme. We say out here also. We are also.
White.
Oh, wife, something how much a bag?
2 bills.
2 bills a one?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you mean? How much they in there, so?
10.
10? So, if you have 10, how much money that?
10.
10 times that?
2,000.
2,000 like that? Alright, that is it. You brush them off, you hear that? Soon done, here. As a matter of fact, I pay for 10. I pay for 10. See it? But, I want more. If I find the money, let me see if I can find it.
What's it 2,000, sir?
No, I pay for 10, so I give you 1,000. Not 20. How much of them you have in there?
10.
Oh, 10 you have in there? Alright, no worry yourself. So I pay for 5. See it there? Just give me 1. Come on, I just get 1 in my pouch. Alex, I want 1 wipes? Yeah, just give him 1 too. And I eat that. 10 of them here, I just pay for 5. Huh? And just take 2 of them. Yeah, man.
Trust me, really handy.
But remember, me used to walk and sell too. So me know. Nice piece of vibe. Well, I mean, I see that Angel.
You're not going to buy a car from.
Man. Oh my, massive, me can't manage it back in the crowd, I swear. So me I go and kick it. Right, sir, my teacher saying. You dip on it out. Yeah, massive, it's all about Carnival 2026. Big up to Exodus, big up to Smirnoff Ice, big up to Infinity, big up to OS I can't think about half right top of my head. Yeah, Mr. Infinity already, Mr. Exodus, Ocean Spray, to big up to Ocean Spray, all I sponsors them and all I people that will make Carnival 2026 possible. You understand, we just go on wall of vibe, same speed, massive crowd behind me, and thing, and the people them a live nice, they might enjoy themselves. They might enjoy themselves. Yes, man. Boy, boy, I can't manage the crowd. I mean, stop here so for a second, make them go and pass me. And thing. So to everybody who actually subscribe to Jamaica Walk By, love that nice carnival vibe here. If you see yourself, just drop a 1 comment in the comment section, you see me? Yeah, man. That is it. Too late, my boss. You should just come aside.
Yeah, post this, sir.
Eh? Yeah, I work.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
On TikTok?
No, YouTube. Yeah, man, go that side. How are you? Also. Alright, go on. How much I want for them? But just say me always supporting them, so me just support one other driver. No man, no go away, where you go? No, me I show you say me support them, man. Me no mean say, show you say me support the Virgin, say me support somebody already say I go away. Don't go away, man. As a matter of fact, me I pay for 2. See? Don't worry yourself, man. Which give me other flavor other than the blue one. Pink one or so. Yeah. Alright, wait, so big up yourself. You're good though. Take it easy, my bro. What's one of them? I see what it tastes like. Yo, bro, me and them full up dog. You can't bust it. So we see this when I use ourselves. I sample my thing. We see me can bust it. Damn, I can't pull it. Open this to me, please. Yeah. Tell her. Crazy energy. I say massive. This is saying about the life out of your area, you have full of energy. You know, take boy if you do this, you see me? Yeah, big up to all the subscribers them in that place so actually see me in the street and I say, yeah, walk by, you know that. Big up to all the people them, you see me? I say, yeah, man. So, I eat. So massive. You get people? Blouse and skirt, what they know? Crazy glue it. Yeah, massive, but they are easy. Jesus Christ. Can't boss here now. I vlog, you know, so anything you know say and do will be against you in the court of law on YouTube here. It depends on me now. But see how me there so empty and I see when they just come post, it look like someone want to be a part of the vlog and just make it nice and done. Yeah. Nah man, Alex. Oh my word. So you see what we have face? Can't pull. We should make it show we have to pull it. Nah man, every part. Yo. Yo, take this brother. I don't know, do what you want to do with it. Yes, it work. Bro, careful. It have record. What were you doing?
No, I'm trying to put it on.
She can't see it. Have to touch the screen. Just touch the screen.
Oh, it's a tilted lock. You need it on tilted.
Yeah, I mean they put it on that. Yeah man, I mean put it on that there. So you keep balance and straight. So people them, they're not gonna move like that. So people them when they on the TV get a better viewing. At least the camera now shake all over the place or none of that. Or look, lean. Yo, the thing I move all the plastic. I bust this, I forgot bust, brother. Can't pull it. One jello. Can work? Me tell you, say me a vlog all long. That's why me tell you, say anything you not do is in the court of law on YouTube. Well, me can't bother that me a video for hours. You mean say me have to go search right as alone? No, me not. I see you where some force. Go up on Jamaica walk by now and see if I see a 3 hour long video. Believe you me. Me just turn on here and go straight. Catch a big bumper one now. Big bumper. I don't know, no time when you come out nice, you know always want to get edit out a video. Why don't you do that? You see, I'm telling you how long, say me have long. I don't know, but I move. Oh, brother, it's a sin I can't pull, Lord. I've got bossy. What we have sharp can me now I'm nothing sharp can bossy. What is one jello by we can't even pull it. Yeah, massive. No, I'm not can bossy. Watch out. No, massive. I don't know that jello it look like a crazy glue then crazy glue. Watch out, you can't pull. Watch out. Watch out. Yeah, me have a 20, I'm just find one. Oh, no, but if my bossy and that going out, I can't go eat it. You go squeeze and bust it. Massive. Oh my word. Yo, me catch Shensi, I go up on the truck. Me no see her back. It look like she come off and gone back in her bus. In her truck or something. I don't know. I wonder why them stop so long. And that me I say. And then they will empty the truck. Come on, Severe. See if I can raise it a little bit. I don't know. See how this, me Jay. I want me then stop. You know why then stop?
You know, say those. The couldn't get us a pause.
Blouse and skirt, pause and pause long, cause God knows. Judge of God. And I son me run from me, come on, cool off. I sit here. Brother, no long me I try pull this. You have a knife or what you have sharp? You know, nothing sharp. Key? You have a key? I want to make you pierce one of them parts. Brother, you can't bite, you can't. Bro, repeat. Alright. Brother, I'm posting this. I don't want no comment no one tell me say a poison, you know. And so I sitting there, I don't know if I eat that. Brother, I just feel like I want it. Bro, I don't think I go till night tonight, because God know boy, I don't know. I'm tired from streaming yesterday.
Inside the venues, section different.
I'm not going on none of them. Never yet. Can't manage them. Right on the moment, all the water. Get up on the mean, you know, shout out yourself.
I don't know, so you actually start, you know, my YouTube channel, but you don't know the time, you know? So.
Yeah, you can't wait one time.
No, man, no. That's the time, but that's the equipment, they don't come in, yeah. The man and everything. I don't know, you know, go check out Young Boss, you know, production, you know?
Young Boss, Evie.
Yeah.
Right, what's up? Supreme! 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 Oi! Supreme! Supreme! Come here! You know me? Boss, you see me? This is me like say you say it on camera as a me pen man. A Jamaica walk by.
Still don't know
and that me glad say you say that now. Because later on when you see video they must say, hey man, you don't know Jamaica walk by? Big up my boss. Me like how you go on. You see me I say, continue do it. No joke. See, Supreme say me know me at all, a blouse and skirt. Remember him said so? No, get up. Yeah, now do that. Look like a water truck she go. Yeah, go. Yeah, one girl.
All of that one person.
Let me tell you.
You're tired.
Rotting. Blessings and respect, my man. It's a team. That is it, the man. Believe. Outside. Where one Supreme gone? Supreme, in lucky saying me while in my stadium. Remember me show your step-ins. Me show your me say, oh, they never give me a link for that. You don't feel so? Branson, you feel say, quick, easy step left him. Supreme. Because I give spikes. But yeah, go and good one. I have to comment upon that. All them subscribers them. This is one of the biggest content creator right now in Jamaica. You understand? YouTube as well. Yo, you need to reach 100,000, you know. The plaque feel good. You understand as a youth? And you go and good. Just put in more time on the YouTube, bro. Because I say you don't really post all that. You vlog today.
That's fast, you know. Because I'm going to be a girl long this, I'm tired.
That is it. Big up, Harry. How old are you, youth?
19.
19? Why, man, just 19, come like around 10 years now, man, do it?
Just on 19, man.
Yeah, dog. How old are we? How old are we? Me forward from still, but a Sunday be me far me live. So we always see a Maypen, same speed. Sometimes me Eastern come in and say, Supreme Maypen in our way. You go on good. Just don't jump off a way you do right now. Stay right there, so.
I might game this time.
Yeah, man, you have it, man. You see me? But like you never know me glad you know me now. Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by. Jamaica walk. Big up for yourself. You know, see a super never do. I'm out of here.
Yeah, but I want serious youth. Yeah, we rate him vibe, rate him energy long time. Fresh up. Rasmus! Hold on there. I want him back! So you're not there work? Oh, you're there work? Lexi! Jesus!
I'll be fresh up.
Hold on there now, man.
First stop.
Yo, me I beg you, I beg up my wife. Because honestly, my wife make me know about you.
Yeah.
You understand? So when you done beard.
Roll out.
Beard.
You're a bad sticky thing.
Bad ticket. All my wife do, I said big up Jamaica intent. She named Lexi. Yeah, all right then. What's up? How cause all of that? What is that? Let me not catch it back. Cause I don't want them bonfire for me. So me catch. Where dash where then chips. Me curious. Me take a camera for you. Let's go. No, here comes the road. See me here. All right. Why you do a big up my girlfriend, a big up Jamaica Indian. Let's Indian, like number 10. All right, let's see how what man. Hey, but I said I got link now. All right.
So that's the thing that regional, so for that you are money for quality. You see me, and I think
Me always at work. I never make a man wanna walk with me. I like that. That's all. Give them that respect, hear that. Bantam, I'm not saying like bad. Yeah? So big up to Bad Sicky, big up to Supreme. You know what I mean? Who else me did today? Bad Sicky and Supreme, what other G did it to? I don't remember what name. What name again?
Big Chop.
Yeah, Big Chop. And one day he had a youth in a cream shirt. Can't remember what name. My boys are Supreme. Oh, you don't know Jamaica walk by. Eh? Whoa. Boy, I don't know how long they go do that one? Why a crazy vibe of carnival, brother? One have a blouse and skirt work going on this, brother. I'm sure they not even notice. Hello? Alright, Miss Honest, I can't talk right now with your card. I'm in a video right now. Huh? Me actually live on the street, man. The carnival with it. Ready. Huh? Ready. I'm with the bar. What is that? With the right below the banner.
Before we end up on the road, the girl never really. Everybody! So let me see your hands up! Let's go! There we go! Can we get the voices? Can we get Once again. Say I love Soca. Oh, that's something too good. Come on, repeat after me. Repeat after me, okay? Say I love Soca. Say I love Ryan.
So massive, this is actually the second wave of the carnival here in Kingston. You don't know, Exodus Carnival 2026. You see me? Mad piece of vibe. Watch it now. Look like you want to go in there. Blouse and skirt, Mr. Universe. Blessings and respect. Jamaica walk by. Respect. That's man there. Everything alright, my brother. Heart I love every time. Great. Nonstop blocks. Massive, you know what I mean? That is it, man. Rich. That's real rich. That is it, man. So you have one of the greatest cricketers in the world, Chris Gayle. You understand, Mr. Universe? Chilling on a par with the great Nonstop blocks. You understand? What a vibe. I mean, a lot of celebrities, a lot of public figures are out here holding a vibe, having a joy, said speed, you see me? Yeah, a mad thing. You know, one thing when I appreciate when big celebrities, somebody can just walk up to them and say, yo, walk on, bless up yourself, then ready to give a thump or fist or a shake on or something. That is when I always want to bring out in myself every time. When people pull up to you, you greet them, no matter how you feel, no matter how your day go, you can greet them with a really good smile or whatever the case might be. If it does make them feel welcome, because in idea, and them a support with straight, and them thing that I want me talk about every time. You see me? And me know me, I go continue to be this way forever and ever. Amen. Yeah, man. So big up to Chris Gayle, Mr. Universe, big up to Nonstop blocks, CM Speed in all aspects, every time. A mad thing. So we're currently on Oxford Road, as you can see, Pulse over there, and also the whole Carnival Massive in that direction coming. You see me? A mad city, man. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. See how Branston. Branston! Branston! Yeah, snap 2 pictures for me. See Nonstop blocks and Chris Gayle. Please, Antac, say right us with them. Yeah, just take good photo of them, we can get the post. You see me? Yeah, so Branston there, I take 2 photos for me, CM Speed. I don't know. I'm fashionist. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks again, Mr. Universe. Respect, see? Yeah, man, that's rich. Nonstop blocks. I beg you 1 photo for Jamaica walk by, please. So me I talk about, just stop and just deal with it. That's rich. Every time. Tana money! Bomba! That is it. Real youth. That's rich. Alex, I saw public figures they operate. You come to an open event like this where people are going to see you and you know what I mean? Where you bring yourself to the public them so everybody you can pretty much mix with. Yeah. I think it's only fair if them ask you for a photo. You don't disband that from your mind before you left your yard. Say this is what I gonna happen. So be ready to do this, so that's why I'm out there. Yeah. You can't tell me say you left your yard and know about this and everything and then somebody pull up to you and be like, oh no photo, I don't feel well. Wait.
All depends on you, you have to do.
Yeah. If you're fun, people that may support you, if you're not ready, or if you feel bad as you come here about that, you probably have to go do so. Because anyhow you start deny these people, them are going to feel away when you know that. Yeah. So, I saw me say it. Machine, let's get them. Man, this is what Carnival is all about, the beauties them and things them outside. Yes, man. It's a massive, we now go too far with us right up there, so we are going to go ease off a little bit and just cool off because I am tired. I've been streaming every day, all day yesterday and see me out here today again. My burn off. I'm tired like whoa. So I don't know, even if we go, watch a bike now. Even if we go edit that video, you know what, it's another problem. Whole heap of music I play. I don't know, man. But big up to everybody who watch the video, everybody who support Jamaica Walk By. You understand? Yeah, man. Okay. Them say crowd, them really not your right so fast, you know. Exactly. One little wrong move, me move a while ago, you know. A straight in I'm going, you know. You have to just stop. Yo, I swear, brother. Oh yeah, massive. Big up to my supporters, them, my subscribers, them. I own up. I make the thing active, same speed, you see me? Yeah, man. Carnival not done yet, you know. Remember me tell you, not done for now. See, and that they show them. See, I hope they say next excitement I go start and thing. But you know where you go. I have to follow out the crowd a little bit. Why the crowd make you tired, you know, brother? Jesus, please. I kid you not.
If you're not strong,
yeah, man.
They walk a few.
No, man, you not take boy if you do this dog. Not take boy. You know, me rate Bad Sicky after today. Because Bad Sicky did do one, I think, towards Jamaica Walk By, I think, on TikTok, on that video. The people, they remember see that one day?
Remember.
Yeah, so Bad Sicky, big up and respect for that too. And you know, I share that testimony. A while ago, I beg him to do a drop for Lexi. Because Lexi rate him, Lexi comedian, Lexi out, I watch him videos then. So he did a fresh up himself, he don't know how to sort out himself, can be a walk for all long or he probably wait up some and change him top. And you know, so, me even forget about it and thing. I know so when time I'm ready to cut him and say, yo, where the G there? Where walk by there? For me do the drop. And then I search him and I see him search him and I say, yeah man, see me here. And he say, come here, I can do the thing now. Yeah, Bad Sicky, I really appreciate that, you see me? Yeah, cause me lost my chain of memory with that and you remember as a G when me I beg. You understand? I did that for my wife. So, you know how thing go. Big up and respect. Even Supreme too. I rate on a personality, you understand? Yeah, I see why I not reach so far in everything I want to do. You see? Heart of love. Call a lick that shrimp lady for me. Mommy! Come here, come in. Alexi shrimp lady that brother. Come in. Blouse and skirt. Me tell her say you're there every blouse and skirt. Yo, how much a bag you drop them for today? 500 and 1,000.
Yes, as usual.
Alright, give me one 500 crayfish more.
Yes.
Give me one 500 and $1,000 bag. I feel my wife that I see him. Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
so me couldn't make a catch one video and
long time I did it.
You have changed, Alex? Pay for 15 bills, just pay for him. I give you what I'm going to car.
You want one of the big crayfish?
Eh?
One of the crayfish?
Yeah, crayfish I want alone.
Oh.
Crayfish.
And you like pepper sauce? Pepper
Yeah, man, yeah, she want pepper sauce in there.
Right, good.
So, Lexi not even see video yet, but yeah, by the time you see that video, you don't get your crayfish already.
Yes, yes.
A mad thing. So, this one I wish oh, it'll leak out.
Let me get a bag.
You have a next bag?
Yeah.
Let me help you. Ah, me hold this. Oh, my hand full up too. Drop that. Yeah, make sure you double the bag for me. Because I don't want it. I want a maddest crayfish lady.
It just means a customer comes over raceway.
Eh.
25th of this next month.
We know that. $1,000 bag that?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man. Before I them, I'm sorry for you. Oh gosh, no. All I want it for me. And then I want a nice $500 one. Right. Yeah. Wrap it in a hand towel too. Can it go in it? Put it, you can double the bag, Alex. Take one next bag from her. You can put it in that. Yeah. I don't want to leak out. And you get paid?
No, not yet.
More want a hand towel to wipe off my hand. Thank you so much, Grandma.
Which is this now?
Jamaica Walk By.
Oh,
We always have video, man, at Devon House. We video waterfront. Yes, then you down Demby Showground. Everywhere Lexi see up. Lexi, I'm my wife. That's our next YouTuber girl.
Yeah.
So, we couldn't tell her I see her, I buy. You hear what I go do? I go home and say, you know, so your crayfish is there. I see her. But by the time if you call her, she disappear in the crowd and stress her out. And then give her the crayfish. Heart of love here. Big up. Massive, anytime I see that lady in the street, her crayfish, them nice. You know, buy from her. Clean and nice lady. Touch it.
Every time.
Heart of love, man. That is it. Lock them up. Buy the bag of ram till a week. You have space, can I put in there? Alright. That is it. Alright, Massive, we just capture a little piece of here, so. And thing. Cause the crowd that come hard. So. Yeah, man, Massive, ready? Alright, come in. Mix up Jamaica walk by with walk and talk. See walk and talk. See walk and talk there. I don't know if I'm ready. Sweet deal. Sweet blouse and skirt deal. What JK Auto? Boom, 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 boom. Big up the teacher. Man. Walkie, you good? You good, my brother? Sweet deal. Massive with there. Our vibe is all about Carnival 2026. Oliver vibe. And I can say JK Auto, walk and talk, Walla vibe, rich lifestyle. I'm mad something, man. Mad and bad. Let's do this. Alright up here, so you come like the after party there now. So make you walk right through and take. Boom, 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 boom. Easy walk through. Well, I must say, I don't know, I probably have to go put that video here for 18 years and older. Girl, they don't have no clothes. Boom, 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 boom. Watch your bike here. Oh, God, my little brother, everything good. And them a rich event alone, we can see you. Clothes and skirts, everything good. All I machine them grass that's up.
Yes, no, we many times I'm outside and pull outside.
Right. Oh, my word. How you look? How you even look?
Wonderful.
Wonderful, man. Everything is wonderful. How we are, man? I'm a celebrity, me I say. Watch out. I told man, I can check him out by Instagram if you want to see the real bike life. I told. No, I only a tool in Jamaica. I tell you, you can't miss it. That is it. Every time I teach you. I am GFR. I respect every time you hear that. Man. Outside. Boy, I tell you, the whole crowd that come up here so now we know, say, you know, say, place I go ram up, because he truck them there come. And up here so, full already. Oh, wow. Outside. Big up again, we outside. We're not going. We don't know where you get to, but we are shake out of your body.
Everybody start take for yourself. But I didn't even take for yourself. Sing with it and take for yourself. I need you to take for yourself. Somebody back time, somebody back time. Take for yourself, take for time. It's having a different time, it's a different time. Take for yourself, a right time. So when you see wicked people, take for yourself. When you see nasty people, take for yourself. Cause they're not gonna heal, take for yourself. Don't worry them in a vehicle, take for yourself. When it's a lesson that you take for yourself. When you want to look like, take for yourself. Think with it and don't try, take for yourself. Like that. Everybody start take for yourself. Wanna give me one take for yourself. Sing with it and take for yourself. I need you to take for yourself. Cause somebody back line, somebody back line. Take for yourself, take for time. I wanna be right time, it's a different time. Take for yourself, take for time. Everybody do your one, everybody do your one. Everybody do your one, everybody do your one. So we just get a big like a big one. Everybody do your one, everybody do your one. Everybody do your one, everybody do your one. So we just get a big like a big one.
time, good again. See them more? Yo, I him. I'm on post on there. When you try jerk chicken for the first time. Well, I'm not posting the guy say when you try jerk chicken for the first time. Catch him good again.
I'll just see you a pagan. Them man they check rubbish. This beat is legal like this. Them man I washed up. Shizzle. No joke like riddle. She want it. And the diesel. Tom Cruise. I really think that 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 Tom Cruise. Ray-Ban. That's me in the dance in my Ray-Ban. Man, I've been back from day one. Ray-Ban. That's me in the dance in my Ray-Ban. Man, I've been back from day one.
Ah, mad.
Let me see everybody right now, them all time dancing. What the night is baby, they're ready. Hey.
That's it, man. Jamaica. Catch Big Boss to me. Video to me. I want to be a subscriber. Catch him at dance. Yeah, big man, yeah.
But I've never seen a dance like this. Dance before, they say I'm not gonna stop the list. Alright, rip up, man, no people dance. When they dance into a higher dance, with the sound and with pension, and a band in the back of the hand ground, yeah. On the river, on the bank, pick up the shoe, because you put them the ground. On the river, on the bank, and a band in the back of the hand ground.
Yeah, one second.
Like a ball, we go down the ground.
1 of the flag girl. Nonstop. Oh, you're taller than them, so you're superior than them, so we can't stand up yourself. So yeah, massive, it's a vibe. That is it. Why? You're taller than everybody, boy. You're superior away. That is it. You're good, bro. That is it. I tell them what this. The vibe, the energy. Boy, you can wave that the flag. The blows and girls. Make a middle day. Gonna fame. Man. Outside. What an energy. What a vibe. Massive. We are going to call it right here. Massive, I eat that for me today with this episode of Exodus Carnival Street March 2026. A mad thing, the vibe, the energy, everything is amazing. And I don't feel like I eat that for me, I can't go no more. Oh my word, there's so much things happening, so much things are going. I open and watch a video and get a reference as to how Jamaica stay when it comes down to Carnival. You understand? So big respect to everybody who watch, big respect to everybody who followed us. Because all of the sponsors them too. I just say, another day, another time, another carnival, another year. A mad set them man, look good now man. Man. Boom. Oh, I don't know. Big up to Branston Fashion, follow him on Instagram. Tell him how the IG go.
Branston Fashion. You see? Branston Fashion. Mother sees them. Don't know their clothes.
Yeah, you can't tell regular mic there so.
What's that?
And the mic the right so.
Just know say your clothes is straight. You see? Modest beat, modest everything. You see, just check it out. From now till the summer, I'm PM mad beat.
Branston Fashion. I'm outside. Respect. Active. Look good. Well, I crowd forward and know, but that's it for me. No good, brother. Outside. Balance. Hey, down low with the cup by your head. Down low with the cup